In fact, uh, this might be such an important remark. Even the new standards, the new version, the new edition of the Joint Commission, which is the 8th edition now, the GCI just launching it, and it will be applicable starting from Jan 2025. It talks about the AI and how the adoption can happen and what are the standards and regulations that should be arranged by the facility or by the healthcare organization in order to make sure that they are getting the right outcome out of it and trying to negate whatever can go wrong. So yeah, I think this is part of our ongoing journey. Technology is evolving, and with that, the learning and the opportunities it opens is huge. But this also needs to come into two things that are very important: ethical practice and some right regulations to make sure that we are putting together the patients and the providers on the a very right platform when it comes to securing their interests. So this is very important aspect and I think it's growing globally. There are so many regulations coming in the UE itself for regulating the use of AI. That we have seen that in Europe, we've seen it in the US. So this is very important from an ethical and regulatory standpoint as well.